Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down the DVR and camera to prevent shorts. Unplug the mains and any PoE injector. Once done, label the cable and camera with tape and an ID so reinstallation is painless. Now remove the DVR cover using the correct screwdriver. Make sure to keep screws organized. If the camera uses a BNC or RJ45 connector, gently loosen the connector while supporting the cable to avoid stressing the junction. This first step prevents damage to ports and simplifies the rest of the job. Now trace the cable along its run, opening wall plates or junction boxes as needed to expose the line. Make sure to loosen any conduit clamps or zip ties that tension the cable before pulling. For BNC, twist and pull. For RJ45, depress the latch and slide out. For screw terminals, unscrew while holding the conductor steady. Do this slowly to avoid fraying shielding or breaking the inner conductor, because preserving the cable lets you reuse it or test it after removal. Finish by feeding slack back along the run and gently pulling the cable free from the DVR end. Support both ends to avoid kinking. Once removed, inspect the conductor, shielding, and connector. Trim frayed ends and reterminate or replace the connector if needed. If you reinstall and lose video, don't panic. Test the cable with a cable tester or swap in a known good cable to isolate DVR versus cable faults. If noise persists, check grounding and PoE injector compatibility to resolve final issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.